I was planning out a brand new idea, and in order to validate the audience, I usually use Facebook Insights, Facebook Audience Insights, to actually see whether or not there is an audience there, how I can target, how I can layer the audience, and just find out everything I could possibly need to know about that potential audience. They have one of the best free marketing research tools when it comes to finding an audience, and I've been using it for so long now, years and years and years, and it's always served me so well. Now, I literally spent about 20, maybe even 30 minutes searching for this, because I usually know exactly where it is. You just go straight to the burger menu, you scroll down, it's in plan, it's right there. Except it wasn't there. And I thought I was going mad. I was like, what the hell is going on, right? It's not there. Where is it? I was searching the whole of Facebook. I was searching Google. I was trying to find where it had been put. And then I found out it was gone. That Facebook had removed it on July the 1st. I mean, what? Why? And instead, it's been replaced by something called Business Insights, which is absolute rubbish. And I'm going to tell you a bit about Business Insights in this video. As well as that, I want to just quickly show you what Audience Insights look like and why it was so powerful. So if we do that, we have to start all the way at the beginning. And in order for me to show you what Audience Insights looks like, I kind of need to go back in time, because I can't show you what it looks like now because it doesn't exist. So let's go back in time, and I'm going to show you what Audience Insights looked like. But basically, what is this? Why is this so brilliant? Well, this is all of Facebook. Imagine a database of every single person that is on Facebook. That is what this is, okay? And this is the place where I would do most of my audience research to see if there is an audience on Facebook that I can target one of my t-shirts to. But let's say we're going to target a Father's Day shirt. But how would we, if I've got that like kind of idea in my head, how would I then go about trying to figure out who to target? Well, firstly, I've got my location, which is United States, okay? And then if I want to target other places like Canada, United Kingdom, I can just add them here, and you'll see the overall people over here, 150 to 200 million. That is how many people we're targeting at the moment. We want to get that number down to about 100 to 300,000. You can go to places like page likes, and you can see what this audience actually likes, and you can try and come up with t-shirt designs around what these people like. So that was Audience Insights, right? That's what it used to be. And you can see why it was so powerful. The amount of targeting you could do, you could layer audiences, you could just create the perfect audience to create an ad, to retarget, to target, to do whatever you wanted and generate a serious amount of sales. Now, I've been looking for reasons. I'm trying to find why they did this. And a lot of it has come back to the iOS 14 update with the whole tracking and all of that. But that's why they're getting rid of the custom tracking and all of those kind of things. That doesn't explain why they got rid of Audience Insights. The two aren't really connected. So if that's not the reason, then what is? If you know the reason, if you've read something where it tells you the reason, maybe a press release from Facebook or something, then let me know in the comments down below, because I am genuinely so curious why they would remove something so flipping powerful. After doing a little more digging, I have found what seems to be the best replacement for Audience Insights on the actual Facebook Ads Manager website. So let's go and have a quick look at that, and I'll show you what it is, what I think of it, and if it's any good. So this is what the Facebook Ads Manager looks like now, and if it's blurred out, it's just because those are my previous ads, but whatever. All you have to do is click this burger menu in the top left, these three lines, and it goes to all tools. And then what you have to do is you have to scroll down to Analyze and Report, and you have to click Insights, okay? Once you click Insights, it will take you to a page where it shows you the insights for your page. And this is what you have to do. You have to click Audience. Once clicking Audience, it will now take you to this. Now, this is a tiny little Facebook page on the Facebook platform, which is why, it's not giving me any data. And this is what I'm saying. It's so stupid. But what you can now do is there's this potential audience over here, which never used to be here, and now it's here, and we can click Potential Audience. And now we can see a size of 49 million. We can see men, women, top cities, top pages, top countries, right? Now, this is kind of like the new audience insights, except it's not really, because, I mean, if you watched a couple minutes ago what audience insights used to look like, you'll see that this is just not even a comparison. So what we can see here is, let's go into filter, and this is where we can add things. So if we add, United States as a country, it goes up to 260 million. Okay, and then we can see women, men, top cities, New York, Houston, Texas, Los Angeles, California, Chicago, Illinois. So this is just the biggest places in America, right? So it's not surprising that they are the top cities. And then you've got top pages, Tasty, Walmart, Amazon, Target, Facebook app. So what you can see here is these top pages are humongous pages, right? You're not going to learn anything from these top pages. And what you used to be able to do was find what people liked, all these little pages that were related to your page that people really, really like. So if someone liked something you did, what else did they like, right? And then you can kind of get a gauge of who these audience were, right? And what they wanted to see. Whereas it doesn't matter if they say they like Amazon.com, because everyone likes Amazon.com. That's not very targeted. So we haven't put any interest in yet, but let me show you what happens. If we put in, let's filter, and we're going to put in, give me an interest, mountain biking. Why not, right? Let's put in mountain biking. Now, if we go back here and we can see, oh look, top cities, New York, LA, Houston, Chicago. Surprise, surprise. Now if we go into top pages, Tasty, interesting. People who like mountain biking like Tasty. Walmart, Amazon, Target, Donald Trump, Delish, Facebook app, Samsung. So these are just humongous pages. Again, not giving you any sort of indication what this potential audience, what this potential person might actually like. So I've kind of, even though I've said this is the next best alternative, I apologize. I made a mistake. This is utter rubbish. And in terms of the next best alternative, I haven't yet found it. Now, I really wish that this video had a happy ending where I was able to tell you an actually good alternative that you could go and use, a free marketing research alternative. Unfortunately, I can't. But what I am going to do is I'm going to spend a good chunk of time researching, trying to find the next best solution. And if you've already found that, let me know in the comments down below so I can go and do some research on it, do some tests, and maybe make a video on it. But really, it's just a shame at the end of the day that they get rid of such an amazing tool for what seems to be no reason whatsoever. So I apologize that this has happened and if it's affected you, and I apologize further if you were going to come to this video and seek out an alternative that I haven't been able to give you. Hopefully that will come in, a future video once I've found one. Other than that, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. There will be more Facebook content coming out. Hopefully, if I can figure out how to work the new Facebook now, because everything's changed, but there will be new content coming out. And I just want to quickly say, if you haven't already subscribed, I am so close to 50,000 subscribers. So go and check out some of my other videos, see if you like the stuff, and if you want to subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.